Hello, and welcome to today's edition of Holy TV. I'm your correspondent, Jacob Jacoby. Let us begin with the world news. Greco-Egyptian geographer Ptolemy is having trouble mapping the Silk Road. Further east in China, they've tried to send the first ambassador from China to Rome. However, Pan Chao's plan failed. This is because Ambassador Kan Ying thought that it took 2 years from Mesopotamia to Rome. However, this was false news. He understood correctly that it was only taking 2 weeks. Next is weather, where we hear from our prophet Abraham. Abraham?
Thank you, Jacob. And here is the weather forecast. Looks like a rough week ahead in Holy Land. Let's look at the bones. Ah, I see. They show me a plague of locusts will be coming in from Jerusalem. It should be in by tomorrow noon. And the 4-day forecast. Tomorrow evening, a fire will come down on a mini market. We will report live. A locust on Saturday. A blood flood warning in Jerusalem on Sunday. Locust on Tuesday, followed by 19 days of frogs. That's the weather as it has been prophesied. I am Abraham. Back to you, Jacob.
Thank you, Abraham. And now we will hear live from Jerusalem. Mary Magdalena will tell us all the events unfolding. Mary?
Thank you, Jacob. A lot going on here in Jerusalem. As you can hear, the locusts are here already that Abraham referred to. We have religious leaders gathering together, asking for the crucifixion for Jesus Christ, who claims to be God. Within the next 2 or 3 days, we'll know more and we'll report live from the site of the crucifixion if it comes through. And last but not least, reporting here live from Jerusalem, there will be an official banquet. It's the Last Supper of Jesus Christ. He invited 12 exquisite guests to the table. We will be also reporting, of course, live from the banquet. That's all for now. Please stay tuned. This was Maria Magdalena from Jerusalem for Holy TV, giving back to Jacob.
Thank you, Mary. And now, we're receiving breaking news. Yes. We are receiving breaking news from the Holy Land. Spiritual leader, Jesus, was supposed to not have a father. Well, in fact, Joseph just revealed and confessed that he, in fact, did have sexual relations with Mary. And that is the news for today from Holy TV. I'm your correspondent, Jacob Jacoby, wishing you a wonderful evening.